Hello everyone, this is our case one presentation for Big Data Business Model, and the company we've been working on is Coca-Cola. We are a team four, and that consists of Freddie, myself, Nathan Cotis, Mark, Savannah, and Sophie. And with that, we'll get right into it. So for this presentation, there will be four pieces. And the first one is key business processes. This is the processes that uniquely differentiate Coca-Cola from its competitors. And then there's also the big data value drivers, and this consists of how they impact the key business processes of Coca-Cola. And then the third piece we'll go through are the improvements and how the key business processes can be improved. And then fourth is the sources that we used. So the three business processes that we focused on was continuous product improvement, building a brand over a product, and then market power and cost leadership. So for the big data value drivers for the continuous product improvement, we chose that volume would be increasing the amount of data over traditional settings. The velocity would be information generated at a rate that exceeds that of traditional systems. The variety will be the multiple emerging forms of data such as text, social media data, and video. And then the veracity would be the trustworthiness and quality of data. So for the improvements that we decided would be appropriate for continuous product improvement, with business monitoring, we thought this could be tracking what products are bought and sold at what time of year and what demographic of the customer. And then business insights would be discovering trends and improvements that should be made based on consumer buying preferences. And then business optimization would be implementing new product types or flavors to optimize Coca-Cola sales and better appeal to customers. And then for data monetization, we thought it would be a good idea to determine whether or not it would be beneficial for Coca-Cola to introduce a new drink completely or modify the current recipe. And then for the last piece of continuous product improvement would be business metamorphosis, which would be allowing for improvements to be made to the product to better the business rather than harboring old ideas. This could include compensation packages for a new idea, new products, etc. So moving to the next business process, building a brand over a product. Going back to business monitoring, we thought constantly conducting surveys and monitoring social media channels to understand how Coca-Cola is perceived will be a good idea. And then for business insights, we thought aggregating data about Coca-Cola and its existing competitors to analyze trends within the industry would be important. And then implementing strategies that aid building Coca-Cola's brand while also appealing to the customers, such as the quote, happiness in a bottle. Train employees to optimize customer engagement, delivering the brand perception, and that makes up business optimization. And then for data monetization, we thought increasing sales through improved customer segment or customer engagement and change of perception would be a good idea. So Coca-Cola being unhealthy is something we'd like to hopefully be able to change. And then business metamorphosis stage for this business process would be capturing new markets through improved brand perception and customer engagement. So the last business process that we focused on was market power and cost leadership. So moving back to business monitoring stage, we thought conducting constant market and competitive research to predict attacks from competitors would be important, and then also monitoring business processes to improve cost leadership. So the Six Sigma principles. And then also the second stage, business insights, understanding competitor attacks, and then also allocating data from business process monitoring. We thought that would be important for business insights, and then for business optimization, to develop market power defense strategies would be highly important, and then also suggest business process improvements from allocated data for cost leaderships. The fourth stage, data monetization, we thought successfully defending competitor attack and keeping/gaining market power would be improvement, and we could do this by reducing business process cost. And then the final stage, business metamorphosis, enter, entering, entering into new partnerships or mergers to increase market power. This would be implemented constant, or we would implement this constantly to improve the business processes. So with that, that is the business processes and the ways that we think they can be improved. And going forward, I'd like to look deeper into some of these and how we can help Coca-Cola improve their strategies. Thanks.